So you've created a perfect video in Google Flow, but there's one problem. Every video has a watermark in the corner, even if you're on a pro plan. Many people have asked me whether it's actually possible to remove the watermark, and today I'm here with the solution. Here's the good news. You can remove it for free in just a few minutes using a simple tool. Let me show you how. For this tutorial, we'll use Shotcut, a free video editing software. Open any web browser and search for Shotcut, or simply check the pinned comment below this video where I've provided the download link. Click on the first website, then select Click to Download. Choose the version that matches your operating system. In my case, I'll select Windows. The download will begin automatically within a few seconds. Once it's downloaded, install the icons. Once it's downloaded, install the software. Open Shotcut, and you'll see an interface like this. Although Shotcut is a full-featured video editor, in this tutorial, we'll only use it to remove the watermark. First, create a new project. Enter any project name you like and click Start. Next, click Open File and import the video that contains the watermark. Once the video is loaded, drag it onto the timeline. Now click on Filters. Click the plus button and search for Spot Remover. Select it. A rectangular box will appear on the preview screen. Drag that box over the watermark. The watermark will automatically disappear. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Export. Then choose Export Video. Select the folder where you want to save the file. That's it. You now have a clean version of your video without the watermark. Anyway, you can also check out this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in the next video.